Hey guys, welcome to our channel once again. It's Real Rice and Molly. Today we'll be doing a stir fry veggies recipe, and for that we have some peppers, cauliflower, broccoli, snow peas, carrots. We have some oyster sauce as well, sugar, salt, cornstarch, and some black pepper, and also some garlic. And that's it for the ingredients, so let's get started. So you're gonna peel off the veins from your snow peas just like you would sing. So guys, you can cut your veggies in designs, you know. Okay guys, so we have all our veggies cut up here, and as you know, stir frying is a fast process, so you have to pre-cook your veggies first, so you'll have to boil them at first and then stir fry. So we're gonna go boil these now. So our water is boiling here, and what we're gonna do first is add the carrots, which is the hardest, and let that boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been about 3 to 4 minutes for our carrots. So we're gonna add the cauliflower now. So after about 2 minutes more, we're gonna add our peas, our snow peas, and give that another minute or so, and then we'll just add the peppers for a short little bit, about 20-30 seconds. So it's been another minute, and now we're gonna just add our pepper for about 30 seconds or so. So this should all be done now. We're gonna test the broccoli and see. See, that's soft, that's cooked. So we're done here. So we're just gonna chop our garlic very fine. So our garlic is all chopped and we are ready to fry. So first of all, we have to get ready our mixture for the stir fry. The stir fry sauce, we have to make that. So we're gonna add all of our ingredients together. With a little bit of water. Okay guys, so our oil is hot and we've added some vegetable oil here. So there are a few oils you can use for stir frying which can cook at high temperatures without smoking a lot. It's vegetable oil is one, and canola oil also. So our oil is hot, we can add our garlic now. And we're keeping our heat at medium here because we want to saute our garlic until it gets a golden brown, and you want to be turning this all the time. Okay guys, so our garlic is brown already. Now we're going to add our sauce. Now we're going to turn the heat up. And you want to cook this until the cornstarch in there gets a bit clear, the liquid gets a bit clear, translucent. So you want to make sure your cornstarch in there cooks, and it'll get clear. So now it's time to add our veggies. And that's smelling yummy already, guys. So you don't need to fry this for very long, as I said, about a minute tops. That's why it's on a high heat, so you're quickly infusing the flavor of the sauce with the veggies. Okay guys, so it's just about a minute and our stir fry is done. Okay guys, so that's it. Here's our stir fry veggies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.